Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to listen in private mode and Spotify. So when you listen to songs in Spotify in private mode, your friends will not see or see the updates of your listening. And if you have friends on Spotify, they can't know what you're currently listening to. So what you need to do the private session in Spotify is you can just go to your profile name at the top, click on that, and you'll see private session. Just click on that, and now here the private session will show up like this, so that if you listen to a music now, your friends on Spotify will not know it. So if you want to end it, you can just click on this again and then uncheck the private session. Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can listen in private mode in Spotify. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.